Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AidBuilt 2500 Watt Portable Inverter Generator. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Equipped with a high-efficiency 79 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke OHV engine. This portable generator delivers 2,500 watt peak and 1,800 watt running power, ideal for powering essentials like a refrigerator, 700 watt, fan, 75 watt, laptop, 50 watt. Or lighting during camping trips, power outages, or RV adventures. You can double the output power by connecting a second generator of the same model. The 1.1 gallon, or 4.2 liter, fuel tank with a fuel gauge. Spend less time refueling and get extended runtime. Activate Eco mode for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, perfect for overnight use or long outdoor events. Advanced inverter technology delivers stable, low distortion power, ensuring safe operation of delicate electronics like phones, laptops, tablets, CPAP machines. And more, no risk of overvoltage damage. Its compact size makes it perfect for tailgating, car camping, or storage in tight spaces like sheds or RV compartments. Operates at just less 55 dBA, quieter than a conversation. Perfect for use in campgrounds, residential neighborhoods, or even during quiet nighttime use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.